Deep breath, and start again. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. Life is 10% what happens to you and 90% how you react to it. I will success in life, not immediately but definitely. Setting goal is the first step in turning the invisible into the visible. If you fell down yesterday, stand up today. Set your goals high and do not stop till you get there. Only I can change my life, no one can do it for me. Change your life today, do not gamble on your future, act now, without delay. If you can dream it, you can do it. When you focus on problem, you will have more problem. When you focus on possibilities, you will have more opportunities. If you don't build your own dream, someone will hire you to build theirs. Be good enough to forgive someone, but don't be stupid enough to trust them again. Overthinking will destroy you. Just because you fail once doesn't mean you are gonna fail at everything. Make your move before they are gone. Because people change, and hearts move on. To success in life, you need two things: ignorance and confidence.